I know I'm doing two lives today, but I have to do this. So I just got off an amazing Zoom meeting with a gentleman out of Kansas, out of Wichita, Kansas. Great guy. His name's Sean. I'm excited to work with him. We had a great conversation. And I really need to just share what he's been going through and why what we do here at Credit Life is so powerful. Just straight up, it is absolutely powerful what we're able to do for small business owners. And so in his case, he has a business, junk removal business. How he started, he got really busy. He was able to work with real estate investors, doing rehab flips, getting junk out of there. He was then able to grow his business. He's been doing this for 5 years. He then enhanced his business where now he's doing more rehab work as well as junk removal. And now he's getting into kitchen remodeling, flooring. I mean, the guy is just ripping, right? But check this out. So everything he's been doing, he's been either leveraging cash in his operating or personal credit cards. And because of that, he's had massive swings in his personal credit scores. Massive, okay? And that's what I'm talking about. Like when we were able to take time today and develop a plan based on where he's at, what he's looking to accomplish, what his business growth trend is looking like, where he's experiencing the most dip in capital and cash I'm talking about in his bank account. And when the cash dips, think about it. If he's got more opportunity, he can't take advantage of every job if he doesn't have enough cash in the bank to float it, because that's what he's having to do. This is the power of business credit and capital. Being able to have that available to allow you to operate with ease. And if you're in growth mode, access to business credit and capital allows you to skyrocket that. Okay. We came up with plans on how we're going to leverage 0% business credit cards to create delayed spend over 18 months because he wants to do PPC marketing on Google. That gives him time to work with the company, choose his budget, get the ads going, get some leads in, convert the leads, get the payments on those leads. I mean, think about that. From start to finish, you might be looking at 4 to 6 months before you even see a return on that, right? Think about that as a business owner. Well, if you're floating that all through your operating account, plus all the other expenses, plus operating and all the different things that you're doing, that can cause some restrictions, right? This is where we need to be strategic and start leveraging business credit and capital to fill those gaps so it doesn't strain the business. It allows it to grow. That's what it's all about. So I just had to share that. Every single day here has been amazing. I mean, it is full on ramp up mode. These conversations, solving problems, creating plans, execution. That's what it's all about. I'm still in the office and I'm going to keep staying in the office as long as I have to right now because people keep reaching out. And that's what it's all about. I'm excited. So I had to jump in. I hope everyone's having a great day. It's hump day, my favorite day. And I don't know why, I just like the hump day slogan. It's just hilarious to me. And yeah, outside of that, have a great one. I'm going to be in here rocking it out. If you need anything, if you need help with your personal credit, business credit, if you want help with debt relief, if you want help on debt reduction strategies, if you want financial freedom, if you want power, if you want stability, if you want opportunity, you need to reach out. Just comment, PM me, DM me, text me, 612-444-3426, 612-444-3426. To talk to me initially, there's no charge. It's us figuring out, having a conversation, what's going on, how can I help you? And from there, I develop a game plan real time based on when I can pull data that I need and just be able to explain in a way that you understand so you have peace of mind of knowing, okay, I have a direction here. That's what it's all about. All right. So thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Let's keep it going. Let's end the year strong. We got 4 months left to end this strong. All right, let's do it. Have a good one.